rocks, sedimentary rocks and more. Even there are many building monuments, household utility and etc. made of the rocks. Rock gives us fossil fuel and coal and petroleum. Rocks such as marbles, granites are used for construction purposes. Some rocks are made with the magma, some are with breaking the bigger rocks and etc. So let us learn in detail with the help of PPT in this my new video. Types of rock. Today we will discuss about the rock and minerals, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. First, let us discuss about the rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Rocks are solid masses of minerals which are obtained from the Earth's crust. The term rock refers to the both hard and solid matter like granite as well as the soft and loosened particles like sand, slate, clay obtained from the earth. The rocks differ to the color, texture and structure. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances occurring naturally. These are solid substances which have definite chemical composition. Difference between the rocks and minerals. Rocks are solid masses of minerals which are obtained from the earth's crust, but the minerals are inorganic substances occurring naturally. A rock has no definite chemical composition, but the minerals have a definite chemical composition. Example of rocks are granite, sandstone, quartz, and etc. And the example of minerals are iron, silicon, magnesium, sodium, and etc. Now we will enter to our main topic, types of rocks. So first we will discuss about the igneous rocks. The word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. These rocks that flow out of the earth's crust during the volcanic evaporation. The magma cools and solidifies to form igneous rocks. Since these rocks were first to be formed, they are also known as primary rocks. These are two types of igneous rocks: institutive igneous rocks and extricative igneous rocks. Institutive igneous rocks. Institutive igneous rocks are formed when the magma solidified below the surface of the earth. Since the rate of cooling is very slow, large minerals crystals are formed on the rock. Granite and the dulite are example of these types of rocks. Extricative igneous rocks. Unlike the institutive igneous rocks, extricative igneous rocks are formed by rapid cooling of lava on the earth's surface. These rocks mainly contains the small crystals. Some example of these types of rocks are basalt and gulbero. Now we will learn about the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. The word sedimentary is derived from the Latin word sedimentum, which means matter which has settled down at the bottom of the liquid. These rocks are found by deposition and condensation of sediments. Sediments are fragments of rock which are formed by breaking of pre-existing bigger rocks. These sediments are transported and deposited by action of the wind, river and ice. These sediments are deposited in the layer. The lowest layer is the oldest layer. The topmost layer is the youngest layer. Over a period of time, these sediments continuously accumulated in layer are compressed and hardened to form the sedimentary rocks. These rocks are known as sedimentary rocks as they are formed by solidification of sediments of original igneous sedimentary or metamorphic parent rocks. These rocks are further classified in the three types: mechanically formed rocks, chemically formed rocks, and organically formed rocks. Mechanically formed rocks. These rocks contain fragments from breaking of other rocks. Some example of this mechanical formed rocks are sandstone, clay, and etc. Chemically formed rocks. These rocks are formed by the deposition of chemicals like salt through the evaporation. Rock salt is an example of chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Organically formed rocks. These rocks contain remains of dead plants, animals. Limestone and coal are examples of organically formed rocks. Let us learn about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphic is derived from the Greek word metamorphosis, which means a change of form. These rocks were once igneous or sedimentary rocks and underwent changes through the physical and chemical composition. The factor responsible for the process are temperature and the pressure or both. Since the rocks are made up of minerals, they may change the composition and texture under a great pressure and temperature. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Share this video, subscribe my channel, like the video. Thank you. See you all in my next video.